Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So iOS 15 just came out September 20th. I'm posting this video September 26th, so it came out just roughly about 5 days ago. So with the update came a lot of new features and updates. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can add a custom background in Safari on iPhone or iPad in 2021. The first thing that you would want to do obviously is open up Safari, and then where you see edit, you want to tap on that, and then you want to enable background image, and you can select any one of the backgrounds that you like. So I'm going to save this blue one here. So if you want to add a background from Google, you can just simply download the image, tap on add to photos, then you go back in a new sheet here, and then you tap on this plus button here, and then you want to tap on this, and then there you have it. Your custom background is added to Safari. And without further ado, that concludes this tutorial. I'll catch you in the next one.